day, everyone! Today we are going to represent a logarithmic function through its table of values, graph, and equation. Table of values. To create a table of values, convert the logarithmic equation into its exponential form. So if magkuha ta sa table of values, dapat atong i-convert ang logarithmic equation sa exponential form. Then sa graph, ato siyang i-plot na to ang ordered pairs nga nakuha na to sa table of values. Then ato siyang i-plot ato sa Cartesian plane. And lastly is the equation. An equation represents a logarithmic function in its standard form, such as y is equal to log base of x, where y is the exponent to which the base b must be raised to obtain x. Example, sketch the graph of log base 2x. Step 1. Construct a table of values of ordered pairs for the given function by assigning values of y, then solve for x. A table of values for y is equal to x is as follows. So first is we need to construct a table of values, and nag-assign ako daan og value sa y, and ang ato lang pangitaon is ang value sa x. So I have here sa values sa y. We have negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now let's solve x. Given y is equal to x, where y is equal to negative 4. Now we have here the y is equal to log 2x is equal to negative 4. So ato sang i-convert ang logarithmic equation into exponential form, which is kaning b raised to the power of y is equal to x. Then after that, ato nang i-substitute ang value sa x, which is kanang nahimong y, kanang negative 4. So mahimo na siyang 2 raised to the power of negative 4 is equal to x. So since na may rule ang exponent, nga if negative ang ihang exponent, we need to do fraction. We need to add one numerator and then copy the base and turn the negative sign into positive. So mo siyang x is equal to 1 over 2 raised to the power of 4 equals, copy the 1 and 2, ang 2 is kaupaton, which is 16. So therefore ang atong answer is 1 over 16. Next example, we have y is equal to log 2x, and ang ihang value is ang negative 3, value sa x. I-change gyapon nato into the exponential form, kanang b raised to the power of y is equal to x. Then substitute, we have 2 raised to the power of 3 is equal to x. And again, naman ay rule ang exponent, so i-fraction gihapon na nato siya, which is mahimong 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3. And copy the 1 and 2, ikatuloon nimo ang 2, so himo siyang 8. So therefore, ang answer kay 1 over 8. Next is negative 2. Same process, ato gyapon siyang i-convert, so himo siyang b raised to the power of y is equal to x. And then substitute 2, may mo siyang 2 raised to the power of negative 2 equals x. So since negative 2 man siya, may mo na siyang fraction. So may mo siyang 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2 equals, copy the 1 and then 2, atong kaduhaon ng 2, so may mo siyang 4. So therefore, ang answer is 1/4. Next is ang value sa y is negative 1. Mao lang gyapon, ato gyapon i-convert ang logarithmic function into exponential form. So mahimo na siyang 2 raised to the power of negative 1 is equal to x. So since negative siya, mahimo siyang fraction, and ang negative 1 mahimong positive 1. So therefore, ang answer is 1/2. Next is ang value sa y is 0. Same lang gyapon. Ang logarithmic function is i-convert gyapon mo siya into exponential form, and mahimo na siyang 2 raised to the power of 0 is equal to x. So since ang rule sa
exponent, if 0 ang iyang exponent, ang atong answer is 1. So, therefore, ang atong answer ani is x is equal to 1. Next is, ang value sa y is positive 1. Okay, convert the logarithmic function into exponential form. We have a b raised to the power of y is equal to x. Ang value sa b is ang 2 and ang value sa y is ang 1. Copy the equals x. Then x is equal to 2. Last, we have the log 3x. Ang value sa y ani kay kaning 3. Change gihapon nato, simo siyang mahimo ni siyang 2 raised to the power of 3 is equal to x. 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. So therefore, ang answer to is x is equal to 8. Okay. Here's the table of values of the given y is equal to log 2x. Ang x kay we have 1 over 16, and ang y is negative 4. 1 over 8, and ang y is equal to negative 3. 1 over 4, ang y is negative 2. 1 half, negative 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 4, 2, and 8, ug ang 3. Now let's have step number 2. Plot the points found in the table and connect them using a smooth line. So now let's plot negative 4 and 1 over 16. So ito'y butang diri ang dots sa negative 4 and sa kaning duol sa kaning 0 and 1. Then negative 3 and 1, 8. Same gyapon dira sa negative 3 dapit and sa 0 and 1 gyapon. And negative 2 and 1/4. Dira. Negative 1 and 1/2. Sa negative 1 and dira sa tunga sa 0 and 1. 0 and 1 dira dapit sa line. After na to i-dot, ato nang i-draw ang line. So, mao na niya ang ato ang final na sketch. Okay, mao ni ang logarithmic equation. Y is equal to log base of x. Okay, thank you guys for listening, and I hope you learned something.